How to create a transparent widgets on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to create transparent widgets on Android. So first thing, let me just quickly add a particular widget over here. So I'll simply head over to my widgets by long pressing on my home screen, and let's say I want to add this temperature over here. There's a weather, current weather. I'll simply tap on this add button over here, and now as you can see, my current background for this particular widget is dark, so I'll simply long press on it and click on settings. Now to create a transparent background, you just have to click on this or disable this background option, and just like that you have successfully created a transparent widget on your Android device. So if you prefer creating a light or dark theme or dark background for that particular widget, you can also do so by simply toggling between this and clicking on save. So for now, I'll simply remove the background, which creates a transparent widget, and simply click on save. And just like that, you have successfully created transparent widgets on Android. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.